It is time for another property tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And today, y'all, we are at Windsong Ranch at Belle Claire Homes. This beautiful property was just completed not too long ago, fully completed. So it is ready for move-in. And if you haven't already, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel so we can inform others on the awesome Texas real estate market. Would mean a lot to my business. And y'all, let's head in. We are in. We are so in, y'all. That is beautiful. Beautiful front entrance. And you'll see a lot of glass doors, modern glass doors throughout this home, y'all. Y'all are gonna love it. So, let's get started. I'll tell you a little bit about this property while we tour. It is 300, the address is 300 Spade Ranch Road in Prosper, Texas. And like I mentioned, it is in Windsong Ranch, home of the world famous lagoon. And 5 beds, 7 baths, 9597 square feet with 1 fireplace. And y'all, this is a huge lot for this community. This is the biggest lot that they offer. And it is half an acre, a little bit over half an acre, 0.561 from what I can recall. And it is a 4-car garage. And Belle Claire, y'all, builds a wonderful, very quality property. And y'all, this house has 2, I think personally, they're almost 2 in-law suites. Like, this is one of them down here. And obviously they can be bedrooms for children or whoever may be accompanying you in the house. But this is a pretty big room with the stand-up shower, and it's got the outside doors, and the other one's upstairs, which we'll see in a little bit. But y'all, yeah, there's a lot of glass doors in this house, which I love. Brings a lot of character, a lot of, modern vibes into the house. And right here is your wine cellar, y'all. Black quartz. That is beautiful. Black quartz has your wine holders, shelving, awesome backsplash, super, super modern. And of course, the glass door. Love it. And it's got your little balcony right there. And everyone's favorite, the media downstairs. So crucial in my opinion, I love it. Some people like it upstairs, some people like it down. I think down is awesome because you can continue to entertain when you have guests over. And it's easy access. And we have our chef's kitchen, open floor plan, floor to ceiling fireplace, modern lighting fixtures, custom countertops, stacked cabinets with the glass see-through up there. And it does have lighting in there, as you can see. A lot of add-ons, a lot of upgrades in this house, y'all. Wood floors, cedar beams up top. Got stacked windows for natural lighting, and those bottom doors slide all the way open. And that is super popular here in Windsong Ranch in Prosper, Texas. A lot of builders like to do the sliding doors. And we got the mud room with the laundry room. So huge laundry room, lots of cabinet space. And extra cabinet space right there. That's awesome. And the garage, y'all. Epoxy flooring, as you can tell. Let me close this or turn the lights on. There we go. But nice size. And then it's got this little area right here, which you can put whatever you want storage wise. Put a workbench, and then the other garage bay right here with storage up top, which is the attic. And there's the breaker boxes over there. And let's head back in here. And the next thing is the pantry right here. So nice sized walk-in pantry. And if you need to, you can extend up, as you can see. And let's head back out here. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about Belclaire Homes. They are an excellent builder. They were established in about 2010 as a sister brand of American Legend Homes. So if you're familiar with American Legend, it is their top-notch part of their business, and they created Belclaire Homes, and it's more custom based, as you can see. And we are entering in the master suite, y'all, just so you know. And they have a great reputation with, delivering quality craftsmanship and providing like really great customer service. Everyone I refer to them has said nothing but great things about their reps, because I like to think of myself with these new builds. If you're building from scratch, the middleman on that, so I help locate the best places for y'all, safest places, best school districts, best builders, all that type of stuff. But they have really great sales reps that take great care of you. That's just a little bit about them. They're a good, trusted brand. I definitely recommend building or buying from them. As you can tell, it's not cheap stuff, y'all. They go all out on this stuff. And we'll get out of that shower area and walk in to your custom master closet. Lots of shelving, built-in mirror, and it's got a whole nother side over there. And look at this, y'all. This is a laundry chute. Goes right into the laundry room right there. So it's pretty cool they added that little extra feature, which I think is pretty cool. And y'all, this is 2023 new construction, for anyone asking about that. And let's go back out this way. And we're just gonna kind of stroll along. I just want y'all to see the details of this house. The gas fireplace. There's the sliding doors that open up outside. But very, very luxury, very modern build, without a doubt. And just letting y'all soak in this home right now. And let's head upstairs, y'all. And guys, just so you know about Windsong Ranch, like I mentioned, it has the lagoon, which everybody loves. You can kayak in it, swim in it, paddleboard. Is just it's acres of water is what it is. So huge, huge, huge community pool, crystal clear. And also has another community pool in the front of the neighborhood where that's where they first built everything. And y'all, this is the second bedroom I was talking about. So the second in-law suite. It could be a bedroom for sure, just a normal bedroom, but both of them are good in-law options for sure. Or, if you have children, fill them up over here. Maybe put the princess in this room with the garden tub. And yeah, back to what I was saying. So they also have tennis courts, basketball area, and 2 main clubhouses. So it's a big master plan community, y'all. There's a lot of biking trails, hiking trails, walking, jogging trails, and it's just a very, it's a huge, huge neighborhood. It's one of the biggest I've ever seen in DFW, and it is just a great area to live in. And as you can see, these closets are big, y'all. So if you guys happen to have, you know, lots of stuff, there is an abundance of storage in this home. And just another look at that. That's beautiful, y'all. Love that. And let's head back out here. And this is the other, you know, game room. You can make it a living area as well, whatever you want. Really, whatever your desires are. You can put a pool table there, ping pong table, or it can be a gaming room for all you gamers out there. Or it can be a study area. Shout out to those young scholars. And we got another bedroom with the ensuite bath, stand-up shower, tile flooring, custom lighting, and just opening this door so you can kind of see the backsplash tile a little better. And of course, your custom closet. And y'all, some people ask me too where Windsong Ranch is located, and like I was telling y'all, it's Prosper, Texas. It's just north of 380. It's this most southern part of Prosper you can pretty much get without going into Frisco. And give or take to Dallas, it's about, I would say, so without traffic, you're looking at about 40 minutes, and then with traffic, obviously, you can range, you know, all the way up to an hour or more, just depending. But the traffic's usually, it's getting better. They're expanding a lot of roads here because just a lot of people are moving here from all over the place. So 380 is definitely under construction right now. They're expanding that way, way bigger than what it was. So the traffic should get lighter and lighter as time goes on. And we're just moving along here, folks. Moving along. Another bedroom. And it's got a little balcony right here. So as you can see, a lot of balcony type of deals in this house, which I personally love. Gives it a lot of character to the home. And love that wet bar. It's just a great house to entertain, y'all. Love it. And let's go back down this semi-winding staircase. And y'all, we're gonna head outdoors. Let me unlock this. There we go. And we have a nice L-shaped covered patio, y'all, with the fans and access 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 different spots you can go into the house. So very spacious out here and relaxing. Good vibes. Nothing but good vibes here in Prosper, Texas. There's the sliding doors that we were talking about. And a nice pool can go here, y'all. Your dream pool. And I like saying that because there is a shower right here with a pool bath. And we'll go right here just so you can kind of see the bath. So you got your shower, little half bath for the pool. And we got storage space over here. So if you need to store anything, there's definitely room. And let's go back out here, y'all, so you can see the yard. So like I was mentioning, a little over half an acre. And you got your custom wood fences, brand new. And it is like an L-shaped yard. So, and it's got the landscaping right there. As you can see, as time goes on, it's going to grow. And I want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour brought to you by Belclair Homes. And this home, y'all, I saved it till the end, is priced at $2.391206. So $2,391,206. And I will catch y'all on the next one.